All right, so here we have the UI where we can click on a user on one of these movies, and it returns details about that movie. Let's render that maybe side by side, right next to each other, right on next to the results, the movie results list. Okay, so to do that, what we're going to do is we're going to have a separate component. We're going to have a component called the movie details component that we're going to pass it the movie object, and it will render the details for that movie. Yes, so let's do that. What we'll do is that we're going to split this into two components, right? The movie list components on the left-hand side will have the movie details on the right-hand side. All right, so let's do that. Let's build the beginnings of what it will be our movie details component. So JavaScript, this will be movie details component, and again, it'll be a it could be a stateless component. So let's import React from React, and we'll do a const movie details component that takes as argument a movie, and it renders the movie details. So this will be a div, this will be an h2, this will be movie details, and maybe we can render at first we can render just movie, the title of the movie. Okay. We can export this, export default movie details component, very good. And in the prototype, we can render it. Let's first render it right above this. So this would be movie details component, and right. And if we see that indeed it renders, we get an error, right? Because we're not passing any movie. We're not passing any movie. Let's pass a dummy movie for now. Movie, and it'll be an object whose title is the dummy movie for now. An object, JSON object. There we go. There it is. There's our dummy movie. Yes. So what we'll do here is that to split this into a left side, right hand side, let's create here a layout which will use a row, a single row, so class row, and two columns, right? So it'll be div, class name, a column on the left-hand side, and a column on the right-hand side, and it'll be the same size, column 6. And column 6. There we go. And we'll put each one of these in each component on side by side. So let's put the details on the right-hand side and the list on the left-hand side. Let's see. Why are you breaking? No. Let's see. Let's make this smaller. Okay, there it is. So we have the movie list on the left-hand side and the movie details on the right-hand side. Yes. So now as we click on each one of those movies, we would like to be able to pass the movie over, right, to the right-hand side. So let's do that next.